Want to keep someone from seeing your Instagram posts without blocking them? In this video, I will show you the easiest way to do so. Just open Instagram, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu in the top right. You will be brought to Settings and Activity. Now from this list, select Restricted. Search for the person you want to hide your posts from and tap Restrict next to their name. Restricting someone on Instagram is a way to limit their interactions with your profile without them knowing you've taken action. If you'd rather remove them entirely, you can combine this with archiving individual posts. Tap the three-dot menu on any post, choose Archive to pull it off your profile, and then unarchive later when you're ready. Using Restrict keeps things subtle. You don't have to block or unfollow anyone, but you regain control over who sees and interacts with your content. If this helped you, tap like, leave a comment with your favorite Instagram trick, and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials.